Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, my basement is ready to be rented and I have secured all the permits. But there is one thing I would like to bring your attention on. Okay. So when you, I would say like it's like, because this was the first time I was doing, so it did not hit my mind. But I'm sharing this with you so that you guys don't do this when you are planning and when an architect is making your drawings. Okay. Like I have always recommended, go the legal way, go the legal process to come finish your basement. Even if you just want to make it legal basement or you want to make a second unit. The important thing is like if your kitchen is here, okay. So somebody is going to cook here, right? Whoever lives there, and they may be cooking a lot less, whatever. So you have a range hood here, but apart from that, few things I would recommend. Like if you can have an exhauster, fine, and you should have a big window nearby. Okay, the reason is like sometimes, like if you are cooking something, then a range hood may not be sufficient enough to pull all the smoke. But if you have a window nearby that you can open, that's gonna help you a lot because a lot of smoke can go out. And if you have an exhauster, that can also pull even more. So these things you should keep in your mind when you do, because that will help you a lot. So I was not aware and I do not have a window here, but yes, in future I will try. I'll contact with an architect and we'll do the legal way. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. So let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.